Alright guys, I got a little update right here on my B36. You know, she's been pretty good to me so far with the metal gears and everything. I just had to replace the center drive shaft right there, or the one that links the transmission to the two rear. I changed that to metal and that was all I did, and she was pretty reliable ever since. And I started playing around in water and stuff. And obviously rust happens, and as you can tell, one of the tabs on that side is broken off. So I guess from the flexing and being rusty, as you can see right here, this one's about to break now too. I don't know if you can tell, but that one's got a fracture in it and it's about to break. So yeah, I don't know if I want to put another set of these back on there just for it to do this again, so I'm going to find a way to repair this one. See if I can make it work. If not, I'm going to have to find another way to get these on there and make it more reliable. So yeah, just an update. Nothing else really broke, just this. Might be because of me too, doing too extreme of a crawling when this is just a, you know, a scalar truck and trying to make it flex like crazy, but still, not acceptable in my book to be braking just like that. There was nothing extreme I was doing, it's just a lot of flexing, slow crawling, and obviously, well, like any piece of thin metal, you flex it back and forth enough, and they will snap eventually. And it seems like that's what happened here, so bad design on that part. I need to figure out how to get that changed. So, you guys have a great day, and go ahead and let you know some more updates of this if I get any more. Go run that RC.